some of my abundance of zucchini, I'm gonna make some
green powder for smoothies or soups or whatever.
The skin and the seeds of the zucchini have a lot of nutrients in them, more so than the flesh. So I don't want to waste that stuff. You can't even tell that it's there when you stick it in stuff. The freeze dryer, I'm hoping, does a really good job of drying it out to make it into powder. You can also do it in a dehydrator, a food dehydrator.
That's what I've used in the past, but I'm going to use the freeze dryer today. I like to sort the zucchini first because I want to make sure I get plenty of the larger ones with the seeds to help add that protein. I use the peels from all of these larger zucchinis for the powder, and all of the seeds and insides too.
They're the most nutritious part of the whole fruit. I find the easiest way to get the pulp, the seeds, and the middle out is to use an ice cream scoop or a spoon. So this bowl contains all of the seeds and the peel. Nothing bad, just stuff we're not going to be putting in our canning.
As I'm loading these trays up, I'm seeing there's a lot less peels than there are innards, so I think the powder is going to be a lot lighter in color.
Right. These are ready, so I put peels and the seeds and cores together. It's so cool when they're done. They're just like styrofoamy. I'm taking it. I try to crumble it a bit before I put it in the blender, just to save time and effort. It just helps the machine out. Okay, so that's one tray. I did blend the bottom already, but I think I can just put one tray at a time in here and we'll be good. It's about half of a pint once it's all blended up. It's really weird to eat this with a spoon. It's a little bit sweet, but it sticks to the roof of my mouth because it's not like peanut butter, but kind of like peanut butter, but not like peanut butter. It'd be perfect in a smoothie.
Or oatmeal, baked goods, pretty much anything. It's nice and mild.
So those 5 trays made about 3 and a little bit pints of powder. If you're looking for ways to use zucchini, I will leave a link to a playlist right here.